In the last video, I talked about how to manipulate in video. In this video, I will continue to discuss the basic guide for beginners. Let us watch the source video that we will work on. Click the source video. In the beginning of the video, it contains a whole picture for a short time. Then zoom in this view. After that, the camera will move from the left to the right. I will work on the source video to create a target video, which keep this video from zoom into here. Now, let us watch the target video, which we will create from the source video. The target video contains 2 copies of the source video, from the zoom into the position I labeled just now. The second copy is set reversely, thus, you will see the camera, which moves from the left to right, and then smoothly moves from right to the left. In the end, the view is zoomed out. Let us start. Firstly, open Blender. This is the welcome picture. Let us click Video Editing. Let us add the source video. Zoom out the video, to see from the start to the end, by scrolling mouse middle button down. Now let me move the video to a comfortable position, by dragging the scroll bar. Move and find the current frame, to the position where zoom in starts, by holding the mouse left button and moving to the right. Next, I will duplicate the video. Firstly, select the video. Then, press the Ctrl and C to copy the video. After that, press the Ctrl and P to paste the video. Select the duplicated movie, hold the mouse left button, and move up or down to change the channel. Or hold the mouse left button, and move left or right, to change the position of the video. When you move the video, the start and the end frame numbers are shown near to 2 triangles. Next, I want to delete the video. In the left of the current frame, there are 2 methods. The first method is cutting the video into 2 parts, and then deleting the left part. Firstly, select the video. Then, go to the menu of Strip, click the button of Hold Cut. After that, select the left part. Then, press Delete the left part, by pressing the key of Delete. The second method is dragging the triangle to the position you wanted. Next, I want to find the position where's the end of the new video. Hold the mouse left button, and move to the right to find the position I wanted. Firstly, select the video. Then, go to the menu of Strip, click the button of Hold Cut. Select the right part. Then, press Delete the left part, by pressing the key of Delete. Drag the triangle, and move to the position I wanted. Next, I want to splice 2 videos. First, move the top video, by moving the mouse to the middle of the top video, and then holding the mouse left button, and moving to the left. Stop moving when the left frame number is 1. After that, move the top video, by moving the mouse to the middle of the top video, and then holding the mouse left button, and moving to the up and trying to splice 2 videos. You can move the second video above the first video, and then release the mouse. The second video will splice itself automatically. Next, I will reverse the second video. Go to Adjust panel in the left bottom, and click the checkbox of Reverse Frames. Now, you see, 2 videos are smoothly spliced, but transition time is too short. To extend the transition, firstly, move the second movie to the right, then, holding the right triangle of the first video, and moving to the right, you see, the color of the extended video is gray. Now, two videos are smoothly spliced, with perfect transition. To get the end frame number, clicking the right triangle of the second video, the number is 597. Change the end frame number to 597. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.